Space, the final frontier. But what if it weren't? What if we were to go beyond space and into time? The mistakes of the past erased, the future reborn, the mortal and immortal made to decide their destiny together. Time is no longer an arrow, but an infinite expanse of possibilities. Explore this strange new world. Boldly go where not even a cue has gone before.
Hello, watch lovers. Welcome back to my channel. My name's Robert, and today we're going to just spend a little bit of time getting this watch back into usable condition. If you've checked out my other videos, you will have seen this watch, where it came from. So look back in the other videos if you want to see that. But today we're going to get this one back into use here. This is a quartz watch, chatelaine, and the thrift store that it came from, they decided to put a sticker right across the crystal here saying it didn't work. So we're going to start off by getting the crystal and the case cleaned up and then get it into back usable condition. All right, let's start with this sticker. Let's get the back off. What you have to do is look for the opening here and see where we can pry it open from. Right there, there's a spot. Okay, got it. And let's see if we can get this out of the case so we can clean the case up. There'll be a place to push down there to get the stem off. Right here, there's a little indent. If you push down on there, you can get the stem out of the movement. Okay, with that out, we can let it just drop right out. And there we have a nice silver dial, still in very good shape. Now, let's get this cleaned up. What I'm going to try to clean that off is just some of your basic nail polish remover. And let's see how that works for taking off that sticky label. So I'll just get another thing is we're going to remove the bracelet while we're at this. There's nothing wrong with the bracelet other than we'll put it through the ultrasonic and get it cleaned up. So let's take out the stems there. Okay, that's all good. And All right, a little bit of brushing and scraping, and that label came right off, the glue residue. And we'll do the same with the back. Soak in that nail polish remover and get that glue all loosened up. There we go. That's good. And that's off. All right, let's get the ultrasonic and do the final cleanup on the case and the bracelet. Now let's do the final cleaning on this and get everything put into the ultrasonic for the final cleanup. It's just distilled water and Dawn dish soap. All right, be right back and see what we look like. Let's see how we look after this. Oh, there's a little dirt here, so we got something off it. All right, let's get this cleaned up and dried off and get it back together. Now that we've got this cleaned up and dried off, let's get it recased here. So we'll get that nice silver dial back in its case. And we'll get the movement holder back around it and the stem back in. This should just go in and lock in once I line it up. Like that. Oh, it didn't catch completely. There, now it's catching. All right. Let's see if this, I believe in the last video, if you've already watched it, you'll see that I did test it out, and from what I could see with the label blocking it, I could still see the second hand moving. So let's see if that's still the case here. And get a battery inside. Just got to get it down in there and seat it. Oops, don't want to put it upside down. Just got to get it under that. There it goes. And we have life. Good. Get the back on. And the bracelet on. One thing to note, if you can see it there, there's a little notch. Most case backs have it. You line that notch up with the stem. That way it doesn't interfere with the movement on it. And let's see if this one will just snap back in with normal pressure, and it does. Good. Now, let's get the bracelet on. I need my tool for that one. Get one side in the hole and then push the other side in. One. And we'll get the other side. Find the hole. Get it in. And then get the pin pushed down and in the other hole. Okay, did it lock? There, it's locked. Good. All right. Here we are. Make sure this is, yes, it's causing the hands to turn fine now. That means I got the stem in. And that's it. That is getting this watch back into a useful purpose in life again. Goes from donated to a thrift store saying it's not working, to a beautiful ladies' watch on a stainless steel bracelet. All right, everybody. Thank you again for watching and staying with me to this point. If you've enjoyed this video or others on the channel, I'd really appreciate if you subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click the little black bell there if you want to see alerts on more videos coming up on this channel. Thanks again for joining, and stay safe, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.